Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Checking out this Globehome 10-inch upgraded non-stick fry pan. All right, check out the little warranty certification. Excellent packaging here for a frying pan. All right, we'll be testing this out. There's a couple things you need to do to get this thing ready. Look at that, stainless steel, 1810. Stainless steel 10-inch frying pan, so good for induction, electric, halogen, dishwasher safe, gas, and ceramic. Beautiful looking pan here. Let's see if it's flat. Oh yeah, nice and flat, no wobbling. Sturdy handle on there. Look at that non-stick coating. All right, so this features like 5 layers of stainless steel, including a magnetic layer for induction. This has enameled non-stick coating, so this is basically like a ceramic or kind of a glass, non-toxic. So it does say in order to get this thing to clean it up and get it started ready to use, you have to do a kind of a little specific cleaning on here. Cleaning method. First time cleaning, remove all the labels before initial use. Please apply some dry flour on the surface of the pans to clear out any residue of coating dust. Wash the cooker with hot water and some stainless steel cleanser. Sponge with scour pad for 2-3 minutes. After rinsing, use detergent and a sponge towel to wash the cookware. Again, rinse and dry thoroughly. So to basically just give it a good washing. Dry flour on the surface of the pans to clear out. Okay, well, let's do this. Let's go clean it up, and then we'll cook some stuff on here and test out that. First impression, now seems like a nice heavy duty fry pan. I like how it's, sometimes you get some pans and they're not even flat, so they sit on there, or the handle's too heavy, so it's like flipping up, or different things like that. So this is a nice long sturdy handle. Shouldn't get hot or anything like that. And just a nice first impression, just a nice looking fry pan here. Let's go test it out. Okay, I got the bacon sizzling. Throw in some onions here. Handle's nice and cool, not hot. It's a little hot right here, but right here, nice and cool to the touch. Probably don't even need that, but it just kind of slides right out of there. Look at that. Okay, and there's not really anything dirty on there, guys. I'm gonna clean this off. I mean, don't even really need to do anything there. I'll just take a quick wipe around. That water doesn't even really stick to it. All right, guys, well, first impression, just super impressed with this. Easy to cook, nothing really stuck to it at all. easy to clean. So far, I mean, really durable. You know, hefty, heated up evenly. There weren't any hot spots that I can notice in my stove, so worked really good. Well done. So guys, even with the cheese, the onions, anything like that, onions almost got like caramelized on there a little bit. We were getting to that point, and you know, it can get kind of sticky there. I think the bacon grease helps also. But all in all, super easy to clean off. Nothing stuck to it at all. Yeah, it just seems like a really nice pan. I'm gonna finish my food. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.